The prospects for finding reputable and professional ways to make money from home are increasing all the time, especially following the worldwide transition to remote work during the pandemic. These days, job seekers can find plenty of legitimate opportunities to work remotely with a variety of work schedules. Ready to start your search for a remote job? Having access to an up-to-date computer and a solid internet connection are essential to make money from home. You'll also need a dedicated workspace and the motivation and discipline to stick to a schedule that works for you. While professional remote jobs are available across many industries, honing in on specific job categories can help you find your perfect fit. The career fields in this video offer abundant opportunities to make money from home. 1. Account management. With the main responsibilities involving managing client relationships, account management jobs can often be done from home. Account managers ensure company clients are happy and upsell or cross-sell products. 2. Accounting and finance. Accounting and finance jobs offer a variety of options to make money from home. Bookkeepers, tax advisors, accountants, and finance assistants are some remote job title options. These roles most often require experience in finance, and many can be completed 100% from home. 3. Administrative. Many teams and individuals seeking administrative assistance allow the work to be done from home. Executive assistants, paralegals, administrative specialists, and program coordinators are some common remote job titles. Many of these roles only require a high school diploma. 4. Computer and IT. Computer and IT jobs are a shoo-in for remote work. With their heavy reliance on computer work, these jobs can be done entirely remotely. Tech support and technical consultant positions are two great options to make money at home. 5. Consulting. Consulting provides ample flexibility in regards to how much you work and your work schedule. Consultants share their experience and knowledge with others to better their lives and business practices. They often utilize tools like job shadowing, surveys, and interpersonal studies to determine issues, suggest solutions, and provide training or coaching. 6. Customer service. To make money from home in customer service, you'll need a high school degree or the equivalent for many jobs. For some customer service jobs, a post-secondary degree or some college may be required. Customer service jobs from home involve using phone, messaging, email, and social media to answer customer questions and provide information and assistance. 7. Data entry. Often working as part of a team, data entry professionals may log into a company's database system to make entries or access data for other purposes. Depending on the employer and industry, a high school degree and additional certification may be the minimum education requirements. 8. English teacher or English tutor. You'll often need an undergraduate degree or higher to qualify for many online teaching jobs for K-12 online schools, universities, and other virtual education organizations. Remote teaching and tutoring jobs can be perfect part-time or side jobs, as many roles require just a few hours per week. 9. Marketing. The marketing field is ripe with remote and contract jobs that can be done on a project basis or part-time basis, making this an ideal field in which to make money from home. Marketing professionals promote and educate others on products and services by working with online content, social media, and print materials. 10. Medical billing and medical coding. In the era of changing healthcare laws, medical coding and billing jobs offer relatively stable ways to make money from home. Inputting patient medical data with an extremely high degree of accuracy is the main task of a medical coding job. Medical billing professionals input and submit payment and insurance data relating to medical care and procedures. 11. Project management. Project managers develop requirements, budgets, and schedules for an organization's projects. They make sure projects are completed on time and may work with internal and external clients and vendors. Project managers can work from home full-time or on a project-by-project basis. 12. Sales. Sales professionals can make money from home by working closely with customers to help them identify needs and introduce products or services. Sales rep, sales manager, business development manager, account executive are some common remote job titles. 13. Transcription. Transcription professionals are often able to work remotely and with flexible hours. This role most commonly converts audio files into text. Certification as a transcriptionist and familiarity with transcription programs like ExpressScribe will put you ahead of the competition. 14. Virtual assistant. Working as a virtual assistant may be an ideal way to put your office skills to use to help you make money from home. Virtual assistants use administrative skills to assist an executive or team with managing schedules, travel, phone calls, and emails. 15. Writing and editing. Writing is one of the greatest time-honored home-based jobs, and editing isn't far behind. Many employers look to hire content writers who are experienced and can provide examples of their published work. Companies hiring editors and writers frequently look for demonstrated editing skills or an area of specialty. That's all from us today, folks.